Hi, I'm Kathleen MacAinsh. I'm the city co-founder of Ladies That UX London, Ontario chapter. Ladies That UX is an international meetup group which supports women in tech. So have you ever used your phone and tried to book an appointment or do a different task and had a really difficult time with it? That's user experience. It can go either really well, and good user experience goes unnoticed. So a good user experience takes into account the business needs and the user's needs. Why user experience is important to me is because I find it really interesting when I'm using technology or a website, and it not only lets me achieve the task that I'm trying to complete, but it'll also add an element of surprise. Like maybe I wasn't expecting it to add it to my calendar and it went ahead and did that for me. So that kind of thing is really impactful. And if it were to go the other way around and it was a negative experience, people will associate that experience with the brand, and you really don't want that to happen. And that's why it's important to companies, because if they have a good user experience, they're going to draw in more users, where if it's poor and people aren't impressed with it, the customers are going to be heading to the competitors. Ladies That UX is an international meetup group founded by Lizzie Dawson and Georgie Bottomley. They founded the organization in 2013 in Manchester, UK. So Lizzie and Georgie are both UX professionals, and one night when they were just kind of hanging out, talking over a glass of wine, talked about how they noticed the need for other women to look up to in tech. They noticed that they didn't have a lot of mentors to look up to. And so they kind of thought to themselves, well, I'm sure there's other women out there, we just need to find them. So they went ahead and set up an Eventbrite account and tweeted about it on Twitter, and lo and behold, they found tons of other women in their community, and it's just grown since then. Within the London meetup scene, I decided I wanted to try and find other women in the same industry as myself, so I wanted to start a group on my own. So what I did was I just did a quick Google search trying to brainstorm some different names for the group, and ended up stumbling upon Ladies That UX. So I went ahead and thought about who would be the best person to should I partner with, and decided it was probably the best idea to go with my co-founder, city co-founder, Ashley Keller, who is like a UX advocate at our company. And so she agreed and was honored and was very excited about it, and we've just taken it from there. We're looking to create a friendly and informal environment for women in the UX field. This is a monthly meetup group where women can get together and talk about our trade, any struggles that we're having, and really just want to support each other. The main audience is women who are interested in user experience, anywhere from first starting out in their career, or maybe not even just interested in the field itself, all the way up to people who have been to seasoned professionals. So our meetup group is designed for the people, for our members. So we actually really want to take a very user-centered approach to starting this meetup group. So the first meetup, we're going to be asking people where they want to see this meetup go and where they don't want to see it go. And I really feel that it's our members that are going to make this group. So if you're interested in learning more about our meetup group, you can go to our website, ladiesthatux.com, or check out our meetup group and join and RSVP to any of our upcoming meetups.